In this video, you'll learn how to refund an item on eBay. This guide will walk you through the process step by step, ensuring you understand each action required to complete a refund successfully. To begin, log into your eBay account. Once logged in, navigate to the Seller Hub located on the main menu. Here you will find various options related to your selling activities. Click on the Orders section to access your transactions. It's important to locate the specific transaction for which a refund is needed. Make sure to confirm that the buyer has returned the item or that the refund request aligns with eBay's return policy requirements. Understanding these eligibility criteria is crucial to prevent disputes and ensure compliance with eBay's guidelines. Next, look for the transaction in question and click on the option labeled Issue Refund. A new window will appear prompting you to enter the refund amount. Be sure to verify that this amount matches the original payment made by the buyer, including any shipping costs if applicable. Selecting the right payment method is essential for returning funds to the buyer. If necessary, you can also include a note explaining the details of the refund. This additional context can be helpful for both you and the buyer. After entering all relevant information, double check everything before confirming the refund to avoid any errors. Once you are satisfied with the information provided, confirm the refund. You should monitor your eBay account to ensure that the transaction is completed successfully. After processing the refund, it is good practice to notify the buyer that their refund has been completed. If a return was involved, providing tracking information can also be beneficial. Keeping the buyer informed enhances communication and customer satisfaction. It is advisable to keep a record of the refund for your bookkeeping purposes. This documentation can be useful for future reference or in case any issues arise. Additionally, reviewing feedback from the buyer post-refund can help you maintain a positive selling relationship. Proper follow-up after the transaction prevents misunderstandings and builds trust with your customers. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.